And then the length. I think this is bigger than a 4 millimeter. Let's see, I'm gonna put this one in here. There now. This looks correct. It's one of those things that I'm pretty confident it went that way. If you didn't spend how many minutes looking for a stupid screw on the floor, it'd probably be even better in your memory. You know what I mean? And this is one of those cases that really the manual can't help you either. So they just tell you remove this screw, remove that screw, and then you're screwed. Three hours later. Trying to remember. What it was you were even trying to do. Zero insertion force connectors. Oh, piss me off. It's not like they make things easier either. So now we can put this stupid Scotch tape back on top of this stuff. Oh yeah, that's really going to help hold it in. How's it go? Don't argue with idiots or something. Let's see. You don't need to take these down. It's nice and solid again. Now, let's try and do this processor. very carefully. Remove the welded processor from the heat sink. If you can. I'm not going to ruin a black stick for this one job. Just welded. Just weld it on. There's plenty of extra on this, so I'm gonna get my razor and take their grease and use it, because if it was good enough to make that solid of a bond, it's great for sealing it. Sarcasm intended. It's time to go emo, kids. Sounds like a name of a TV show. It's time to go emo, kids. Try and get all the water in my hair to not fall into the computer. As you may have noticed, my hair is slowly gotten worse and worse every time I seem to go off camera, because I have to keep going outside to my van and it is pouring down raining. And now I look even worse. Yay. A lot of my tools are in my van because they're very special or rarely need them type tools, like a razor blade and